Hey guys, it's Oberstadt. In today's video, I want to do some looks with some single shadows. So I have this little trio here that's mainly like gold shades and, well, gold and yellow. And then I have like greens here. And are you, yep. Okay, and then I have, bump myself in the nose with it. I have this palette here that has like blues in it. So it has got a few greens. What do you have? This one's got a couple of greens in it and some golds as well. So I want to try and use these. I do not want to do like any main face products. So what I'm going to do first, taking the products that I pulled for like blush, bronzer, highlight in here. And I want to go ahead and just use these products and do like the rest of my face. But I'll probably just use a little bit of powder underneath there. So Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And then I have the Physicians Formula blush in here as well. I am not seeing like blush go on my face. So I'm gonna dip into the other two that I have in here and mix them. Now, I do have some like powders in here. I have an eyeshadow and then I've got this like Kat Von D like setting powder. So I'm just going to use that under here for right now. Just trying to hide a little bit of that look like I got punched in the eye stuff. And then, I'm being attacked by an eyebrow brush. So I guess I will use that since it wanted my attention. And then highlighter, put a couple in here. I think I'm going to mix Elizabeth Mott with the Coastal Scents. Well, if you like a very natural, non-existent highlighter, then this is probably for you. Thankfully, I have another highlighter in here that's a little dark. And then just for S&Gs, I think I'm just going to use my LA Colors gloss, and then we'll just focus on the eyes. This is what I would do if I was wanting to do something like quick and out the door. I would do this and then not worry about doing concealer or corrector or any of that stuff. I want to do like a yellow and gold eye, so I'm going to start with this one. These shades, let's see. We have STFU from NYX. It's a Hot Pot single. And then we have a NYX Prismatic Shadow in Gilded, and then Honey Baked from Morphe. So we have NYX, and then Morphe. I don't remember how this yellow shadow works. And this is just kind of just playing with makeup and then seeing how these singles work. These are newer singles that I bought, you know, within the past year or so. So these aren't like part of the ones that I was looking at getting rid of. Why does this one look patchy? And why does yellow always look so freaking chalky on my skin? It's almost like sidewalk chalk is what this reminds me of. It picks up every little bit of dryness on my eyelids and it literally looks like freaking sidewalk chalk. That helped a little bit. And this pan doesn't quite fit in here, so it's like rattling around as I like swirl my brush in it. I've been seeing on Instagram a lot lately where people are doing like eye looks and they're not blending the shadow at all. They're just kind of putting the shade on and then putting the next shade like close to it, but there's like no blending between the lines. I don't know if that's like the new thing or not, but I don't care for unblended eyeshadow. Ooh, and I have a gold in here. Are you Colored Rain? All right. Okay, so we have the Colored Rain Superstar. I want to swatch these out next to each other to see how they compare. So, get this one back in. Colored Rain Superstar. And then we have NYX. And then this one is the Morphe one. So we have NYX, Colored Rain in the center, and then Morphe. The Colored Rain one looks the most metallic out of all of them, which is this one here. I wonder if I could... The one from Morphe looks more like a muted gold. So, do I have any more gold in my other palette? No, I've got like bronze shades. I guess I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm going to go into the NYX one. Trying to keep my eye look simple because I plan on filming a separate video for eyeliner after this. My friend asked me about winged eyeliner this morning, so I told her I'd get it filmed today. And I think yellow would be good to show off a nice wing. Pretty and simple. So there's one eye. What do I want to do with the other one? I think I'm going to go into this green here. What are you? I think you're a Morphe shadow, aren't you? Okay. So we have Aloha from Morphe. And then this one is Bam. It's a little bit more blue. And then this one is Dragonfly from my line. So that's one of the ones that I need to test out anyways. So first I'm going into Aloha, which in the Hawaiian culture I do believe means hello and goodbye. Hello. Can I get some pigment? That's a little better. It's very sheer and kind of patchy. Maybe my eyelids are just being hospitable today. My allergies have been going crazy lately. I went to Walmart yesterday morning and I wore makeup. I did a Irish flag themed makeup, and the liners that I used right along my lash line had my eyes like burning and watering the whole freaking time. But one good thing is I didn't see one whack job in Walmart at 4 o'clock in the morning fighting over toilet paper. I don't know what's wrong with people. I like that. Okay, so I'm going to grab Dragonfly on my finger, and I have, what are you, Habitat? Yeah, I have Habitat in here. That's also from my line. It's a little bit lighter than Dragonfly. I'm going to pick up Dragonfly on my finger. This will stick with monochromatic looks today on different eyes. I like doing 2 different eye looks like this because not only does it give me like different color options, but why not? We've got 2 of these things. So why not make use of them and cut down on, you know, if I want to show you like 2 different looks without having to make the video like 45 minutes long, this is the easiest way for me to do it. I could record 2 matching eyes and I could show you how I got 2 matching eyes. But then I would have to like cut out blending and cut out a whole bunch of like other stuff that you might want to see in order to fit more looks into one video. So that's why I like doing this, so that you guys can see more variety than just, you know, one look cut up, rushed, and then another look cut up and rushed. I can't do it. Like my one friend from 4F Beauty, I will leave her link down below. She does like real-time makeup looks. So most of her videos are like half an hour to an hour long because she shows you step by step and she goes slow. So she's somebody like me who has health problems and chronic pain and things like that. So she finds it easier to show people like step by step, blending, application, color selection, that kind of stuff. And she does it all in like real time. So I appreciate that from her. And you can always watch her on 2 times speed. She also does like ASMR makeup and stuff like that. I don't like ASMR. It creeps me out. And after filming ASMR content, I have a bad taste left in my mouth about it. There's a lot of like people that are into like fetish stuff that like ASMR, and I got a bunch of like inappropriate comments, so I stopped doing it. So let me record the eyeliner part of this and then I will be right back. All right, so I'm back from doing the liner video. I didn't do mascara yet, so I guess we're gonna do mascara. This is the Benefit Roller Lash. I think this is drying out because when I used it, yesterday? Yeah, yesterday, because I went to Walmart yesterday. It was like kind of clumpy on my lashes, but it could have also been the weird eyeliners that I was using that made my eyes so irritated. It seems fine today. I mean, it's an older mascara, so. And I did pick up a mascara at Walmart. It's supposed to be very similar to this one. And I actually like this one. I just don't want to have to spend another 16 bucks on one of these things. And I'm definitely not paying no 24 or 28 for freaking mascara. And we had an oopsie with the winged liner over here. So there's some black down here and I had to do some triage on my yellow. I've got black up here and black here, but it is what it is. I will just steal a clip from that video to put in this one so you guys can see the eye looks up close. Yes, the wings are very severe. I was teaching a lesson on how I personally apply winged eyeliner because number one, I'm over 35. I have hooded eyes. I have one eye that's deep set. I have had a stroke. I have texture on my eyelids. I get a little bunch of little wrinkles and stuff right along my lash line. So I went step by step. I'm going to leave it in real time. So if you're curious about winged eyeliner, I did a walkthrough on how I do each of my eyes and explained why I do it the way I do it. And I tried to get as close, you know, as close to the camera as I could. So anyways, I will see you guys later. Hopefully you all are having a good day or night wherever you are. And yeah, I will see you later.